I'm gonna show you guys how to resize videos correctly for different sizes, including YouTube size, Instagram, Canvas, using Premiere Rush. Every platform expects a different shape, and if your video doesn't match it, the platform will force it, and that's when things can get wrong. I've put the ratios here on the sticky note for quick reference. YouTube and Canvas uses a 16:9 ratio horizontally. Instagram feed or square post is an even 1:1, and Instagram Reels are 9:16 vertically. And the goal is to choose the right size before you export and not just let the platform guess. The first thing that I'm gonna do is create a new project and finding the video that I need. So I have my video loaded. Right now it is at the regular horizontal clip, and what we're gonna do is change the aspect ratio. To change the aspect ratio, this is gonna be super easy. It's gonna be this little icon right here on the right-hand corner. When you hover your mouse over it, it says change sequence aspect ratio. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. And if I'm gonna export this to my Instagram story, I am going to export it at this ratio, and this doesn't stretch your video, this changes the frame. Now we can decide how the video fits inside it. So now I'm gonna go and edit the scale and proportion by going to the right-hand side and clicking on this crop and rotate. So clicking on this tab, we see that we have our fill and fit options. What's important is that we maintain our proportions, so when we lower the scale or we raise it, that it maintains its proportions. So I can keep editing how I want this to fit in according to what I think is more important to keep things centered and what it's focusing on. Again, you can always change the aspect ratio by going down to here, clicking on it and choosing whichever one you prefer. And you can hold and click down and move the video to whatever you want to focus on more. For example, if I want this little cat centered more, I can move that around. I can even shrink it down, like by holding down the circles, by clicking and holding down and moving my mouse. And all I have to do when I'm finished is just export it by going to share and having it saved to whatever I choose to. Hopefully this video helped. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.